Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play music through microphone with Voicemod. So here on your Google Chrome, you need to go to voicemod.com. As you can see the home page. Now scroll down, then get Voicemod free. So right here on your screen, you need to sign up your account. You can use your Google account as you can see on your screen right here. Then it will now start download this Voicemod app. And then once you've done, as you can see, now click on open and then need to install this app on your PC or laptop. So click this next until it installed on your PC. So once you've done, now you can now on your application, you can select your microphone right over here. And then also you can select your speaker. So after that, you can now click on continue and then click on all done. So after that, you can now see this on your screen. Tap on explore your sound, and here as you can see, you can go to the soundboard or in a voice lab, or you can create your own. So here on the soundboard, actually you can update or drag and drop your sounds right here. You can use that also on your OBS. You just go to the plus icon, then audio input capture, and then you can tap on OK, and then right here you can find the device, which is the microphone using the Voicemod virtual audio device. So click that OK. So that's all. You can now play music through microphone with this Voicemod and also using this OBS Studio. So please like and subscribe to this channel and see you on the next video.